Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 9:52. Let's recap. It's very volatile today. This is Palantir on the 1 minute chart. So the red line is the low the previous day. This is some day back then because this was a huge gap. So this is the high of some previous day, so it broke it, thought to reject it, thought to reject. So since I was bearish, I was looking for a bearish setup because it was rejecting this area. So and then I waited for a pattern here and form this wedge flag here. I got in here, the stop was up here, and the target was down here. And this is the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and execute without forcing anything. I exit based on my rules, not emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stayed disciplined and waited for my setup. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.